Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve Euklid for Nick puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Dr. Volker Latuusek and made by Pelikan in Czech Republic with absolutely fantastic quality. This puzzle is made of 3 different types of wood: Acacia, Purpleheart and Padauk. It has difficulty level 9 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the object of the puzzle is to fit all 7 parts inside the frame in such a way that none of them are gonna stick out, like you can see now, they're sticking out. And all parts will be inside the frame below this line. And at a first glance, it may look like not a big deal, but when you start solving this puzzle, you will quickly figure out that it is pretty easy to put 4, maybe even 5 parts, but it is much more difficult to fit 6 parts, and 7 parts is almost impossible. And there is only one solution which gonna bring you to the to putting all parts inside the frame, and it is not so easy to find this solution. If you like Euklid for Nick puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca, and if you want to see the solution of this puzzle, keep watching the video. And now I will show you how to solve the puzzle. So first, before I will put the parts inside the frame, I have to put them in a shape that is going to be inside the frame. It's going to be a little bit easier later to put them inside. So that is the shape that I have to put inside the frame. And to make it a little bit more clear what is going to happen inside, I will show you. Just imagine that the frame, that these parts are inside the frame now. So the first piece, and they're going to be in the frame like this. So the first piece that you can remove is going to be this one. The next piece is going to be this one. You have to move it up. Next, there is no way to remove other parts, but if you move these parts to the side, then move this part to the side as well, you will be able to remove this part. And next, it seems like it is completely impossible to remove the rest parts, since no matter what you do, you're not going to be able to remove even one of these 4 parts. But there is a solution, and it is amazing. So what you have to do is to put these 2 parts together like this, and then you will have enough space on the bottom, and you can rotate these both parts. Doesn't matter how you're going to rotate them, this way or that way. So you have to rotate them, and you will be able to remove first this piece, then you can remove the second piece, and then remove 2 other parts. So the solution is really amazing of this puzzle. So let's try to put all these parts inside. I will start with these 2 big parts. Actually, there is many different ways how to start solving it. Then I will put this part. Next, I don't think you're gonna be able to see what is happening, since I have to flip the puzzle upside down to finish solving it. So first of all, I have to move 2 big parts on a side, like this. The smaller part now is inside below these 2 parts. Now I have to put this part inside. And next, the most difficult part, how to rotate those 2 parts on the bottom. That's going to be quite a challenge, but you have to figure out it somehow, since that's the only thing that I'm not sure that I'm going to be able to explain you how to do. So I think that it's better to do upside down, and then try to rotate both parts at the same time, and it doesn't matter which side you're gonna rotate them. I think that I'm almost done rotating them now. Yeah, that's a real challenge to rotate them. And nope, not yet done. And again, couldn't rotate them so far. Okay, now I think that I found the way how to do that. Yep, and I was able to rotate both parts. And now I can put the big part right here. Next, I have to tilt the puzzle box to the right so that the bottom part will slide right in here. It's gonna be like this. And these parts are very precisely made, and they're so tight inside that sometimes it's quite difficult to move them. Now this part moved to the right, this you have to move a little bit up and to the right as well. And now you will be able to fit both these parts. The first one goes here, and then you have to drop it to the bottom like this. Yep, and the last piece goes right here on top. So that was the solution of Euklid for Nick puzzle. And to complete solution, you probably have to remove them. You're going to do exactly the same steps but backwards. You remove this piece first, then goes this part. It's better to do it by flipping the box upside down. And you can remove this part. Next, you have to tilt the puzzle to the left, and it will be enough room to remove this piece on the right. And we have only 4 parts left. To remove them, you have to rotate 2 parts on the bottom, and that's going to be a little bit more difficult. I think that I'll try to do it a little bit quicker this time, if it is even possible to do it quicker. Oh, I think that this time I will be able to rotate them pretty quick. Yep, I think that I'm done. And next, what you have to do is just to remove the first part. Then you can remove the second part. And the rest 2 parts can be removed as well. So that is the solution of Euklid for Nick puzzle. I showed you how to put them inside the box and then remove them. And that was quite a difficult puzzle to figure out solution. Since there are only 7 parts, you spend a lot of time looking at these parts, moving them in different directions, but the solution will come just from nowhere, since you never expect that you're gonna rotate something on the bottom. You can't even clearly see those parts, but you have to do something with them to solve the puzzle. So great puzzle. If you like Euklid for Nick and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time.